So what do you think when you walk into a bathroom and see this? Well, here you go. Water, comfortable perch, plenty of food. This will be where our cranes are going to survive for the storm this year. All right, you're going to set your crane down. We've got a nice safe bathroom for a crane to live in. There you go. There you go. Oh, I gotta turn off the frog music. So they have this wonderful frog music in here, or it's actually frog calls that help you learn to identify frogs, but we don't want them to have to listen to that all night, so we'll turn that off. Oh, there's your baby.
There you go.
No problem. All right, here we go. 2 cranes in the bathroom.